Hey guys, it's Asia here with Zoe, and today we're going to be making slime. But what we're doing, we're making an ombre slime. So we're going to be making two slimes, and we can do, for this video, we can do whatever we want, I mean. So we can make any slime. Yeah. So, yeah.
We just talked about parenting and everybody told
So,
their
we're going to
story.
start right now.
Like,
I'm going to add a little bit of my glue in.
how many kids they
For my
have.
first slime, I want it to be with white glue. For my second
Some kids
slime,
are
I want it to
adopted.
be with clear glue.
Some have like,
I mean, for my first,
ADHD and
I don't know.
stuff like, it's like a lot of like.
My second slime is going to, should I
they
do
have
that again?
food
Or will it be done?
and
anything
it's
you
about like disciplining like your kids and stuff. Like,
So, I added my glue
well, there's
in.
another class.
I'll just do it. It's clear glue,
next
so you
week,
guys can't really see.
The 30th or no, the 29th.
I'll just do both clear.
So we're gonna go to the class too, and then after, I guess, after the class you get a certificate or something.
I didn't have enough glue.
Yeah. No, after a couple classes.
I just need a glue. So I'm mixing
Whoa.
it to make bubbles in them.
And you just like, they teach you like how to like discipline your kids.
Can I use some
like
of your
what you
white
tell your
glue?
kids, or like
Yeah,
if they get in
it's
trouble,
this.
like what to do, or like if they have
Okay, so
like, attitude or something, or
this color
there's
even.
a lot of different things.
I'm going to be adding my
I'm doing red.
color in.
Like kids that fight.
So
You can't do the same
Yeah.
color.
I'm going to add,
There was this one lady.
like we can't do the same
I
two
guess
colors.
like she had, I think.
So I'm going to add a tad of blue.
I want to make
No.
like a really light
Or-
blue. Not a really light
or,
blue, but like a turquoise.
Adopted.
I'm going to add
kids
all the
since they're,
colors
like,
in. I'm don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a rainbow slime.
A year, and they came
It
from
might
like
turn
a.
out to. Don't mix the paint.
They
Well, I
came
don't
from
have
LA,
to.
and she adopted them. 'Cause,
And actually I'm just going to do
I guess
blue,
the parents
purple, and red.
did a lot of like drugs and stuff, and they like had drugs in the system, in their system and stuff.
So
So
now I'm going to pick
just
my
tell me
paint.
about
I added my
story, like,
paint in.
he would.
And her slime is going to be a
her
purple
son-
slime.
her son would have like tantrums and like fight her and like kick her in her stomach, bite her, and all this, and she couldn't do anything about it. Like
I really
she
want to
just
make
like,
a red and yellow slime, but then
restrained
I'm
him,
not sure.
like just like forced him like,
Yeah.
like down, like
I don't have a
like, held him
spoon.
down, and like called the cops or something, and something
So-
like that. It was, like,
Oh, you actually made a blue slime. Can I use that? Or you think? Or something?
but I guess her kids are older
I
now,
want my slime to be a purple slime.
and they're doing like
So
better.
this first slime is kind of blue, if you can see it.
Yeah.
And for this, I'm going to be adding, I like probably gold in my slime.
It was 2 hours. It was 10 to 12.
And I'm going to add a little bit of gold thing
After the class,
with
my mom had to go to the city hall
a little bit of
Oh,
purple.
that's pretty.
to go sign.
I made like a reddish
They had a ticket from
pinkish color.
a pass,
It's pretty.
So I'm going to be mixing it in.
pass or whatever. So we were there for a while.
I'm gonna add
And then,
silver and gold
Zoe,
with a little bit of blue.
we were waiting for Zoe.
So
And then a tad of red.
And then we went
I
to
added
the
my glitter in, if
city,
you guys can see.
and then we like went to Walmart.
I don't too much blue in it, because then it's gonna make it ugly. But next time. Okay. So we might do 3 or 4 slimes for our ombre slime. So I don't know if it's called the ombre. I think it's the avalanche or something like that. I don't know. But I'm gonna add a little bit more of glitter. Not blue. These are all kind of like 4th of July colors, and half Halloween and full Christmas. I want the most of that one.
Yeah, there's a lot of traffic
So
on
now
the streets too.
I think I'm just gonna add my activator in. So I think I like putting it in like a thing or something, because you know how you don't like that activator things activated too much. I don't think. Oh, I guess maybe it is. So mine is blooping up. Mine is too. I just added in a little jump. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more in. Hopefully she doesn't overactivate her slime.
There was a car accident, right by Circle K. Like a truck and a car. Like they smashed together. It was pretty bad.
So that's how my slime is right now. Imagine a diesel truck getting in a crash with a diesel truck. I don't know. That would be bad. There's bad diesel trucks. Like they first got in a crash, and then after the diesel truck fell on top of the car.
Just like pieces of the car like on the street and shit.
Okay, so I'm gonna need my slime. I'm not gonna need my slime yet, but it looks good. I know there's shaving gel in the bathroom. So I might make fluffy slime after. So I'm kneading it, as you can see. I put activator on my hands before I knead it because I don't want it to be sticky. The activator helps. I heard you get
Did you have a good day today?
Huh?
Did you have a good day today?
Okay, so my slime came out good.
Tired?
Good. So, yeah. Ooh, my slime is actually good. So now I'm gonna put this in my... Ooh, I like the... But hold on, you guys, I'm gonna get this. That.
Are you off today?
So guys, we only post videos on like the weekends,
Yay!
except for maybe like special occasions. If like it was a special occasion, we would post. We might post you guys finding our Easter eggs. Or Easter. Huh? But now after she put her thing away, I'm going to start making my chicken stuff. Can you get us some lotion? For a Lord. Or do you want me to just dip it in the water? Here. Oh, you actually got lotion. I didn't like it to I just use it. Just put it in your thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna make my second slime with white glue. I'm gonna really make like a really light clear slime. Okay, so I'm gonna add, this time I'm gonna add green and yellow. That makes yellow green. I know my colors. But a little bit probably blue. That will make green and yellow make, I mean blue and yellow makes green. But yellow and green makes yellow green. So now I'm gonna make. I have a feeling it's gonna make it. I have a feeling it's gonna turn green. Yeah. I'll just put this to the side. I don't wanna do anything with it like now. So I'm just gonna put my slime in like this little like hole right here.
Yeah.
And so, now, guys, I made a green slime. If you guys can see, I just don't want it to. I knew it. But I'm going to add. No, I'm gonna make this. Two colors in. A blue glitter. I'm gonna use the rest of the white glitter. Okay, that's fine. A blue glitter and a purple glitter. Can you throw the color? Yeah, later. That doesn't bother. So I'll show you guys after it's activated. And I'm going to be adding some of this. Ooh, it's pretty.
Yes.
Oh, it's like, it looks like it's glooping up already, but it's not.
Okay, baby. And that'll be too.
I want to make a really fluffy slime. Yeah, me too.
Okay, look.
But don't add too much or else it'll mess it up. So as you see, mine is, as you can see, yeah, you can see. Mine is coming and then with a little hint of water, because we have our water in a cup. And this is cup right now. So I'm not gonna make it too foamy. So I'm just going to, I mean too like shaving cream. So I'm just gonna add my activator too fluffy right now. Yeah. I don't know. The blue glitter looks ugly. No offense. It really does. I want to make a blue. Can I borrow your stick? Take that off. Oh my gosh, really. It's your slime. Well, you're the one who. Here. It's okay, it'll still be clean. I'm going for a light blue. Mine is light green. Mine is a sky blue, which I don't like. I'll show you guys after I do this thing. So let me do. So I'm gonna add a little bit more activated. So I need more paint because, like I said, I want it to be like a turquoise color. So, I have my slime. It's really fluffy. Mom, look.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
Oh, it's not something. So, I guess this is pretty fun. This is green, right? Light green. Window. Green. Mint green. So I'm gonna add it in my container. I don't think I'm gonna add any glitter to this one except for like a tad of this
I just
one.
need to.
Now that's pretty. Now that's what you call a pretty slime.
Oh, that is.
So I don't want it to just be like a slime with like where you barely can't even see the glitter, but not a, like too much glitter where it gets all over your hands. So like, gonna make it where you can notice like the glitter. I wish we had the food dye right now. I'm about to make a green slime. Who cares? It's okay.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add. First, I'm gonna add my shaving foam one. It's like. So I'm gonna add this in my thing, but first I'm gonna add a little bit So I have this thing, but now I'm gonna add it in my thing. The slime in my sister really can't speak today. I mean this. If only I had more glue. Oh. Now this slime is like pretty stretchy. So we're doing four rounds or two? Four. Okay, 4 rounds. I really wanna need the slime, but then I'm scared it will be too sticky. If I need activator, you're giving me it. Okay. Oh no, this is it. Okay. So this is my fluffy slime I have right now. My slime is like, I don't know. So it's now on my activator. This one is, I should have never started to need it, but okay. You gonna need it from me? Sure. Get it. Why is it so? What did you do?
Lord have mercy.
Water in this one. It's not the water. What did you do? What did you ask? I don't know what to tell you on this. Because it needs
Go get
one. But I have a little bit of this one. Can you add it? Yeah, my hand. My hand. I'm messier than yours. Unless I put it all over your hand and then.
Oh, God.
Hey guys, I'm fine. Well, I can't open this. It's the other way. That was oh no. Just like put it like I'll add you a little bit of this one, but next time don't ruin your slime.
No.
So what do you want to do?
Like the whole thing of that.
It's just getting watery like that. Is that working? So add a little bit of this, and if it doesn't work, I don't know what to tell you.
Do I mix it with my hands?
Tell me.
I'll mix it. A little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Is that your first one?
No. You see?
You said you needed more glue, so don't blame one. So now
I told you it would work. You see it needed? And to find this log right here.
I need this real fast.
Asia, no, it's gonna turn it blue or purple. I don't want it that ugly color.
Okay.
You see?
I see.
You wanna need this for me? Just this piece.
Let me see.
I like that song.
What, this one? This one's their cycle.
I want to add a little bit more activator to my hands to see if it would work. I like this slime, guys. It's so good. This is like my favorite slime out of all of them, right, Asia?
So we're going to make our third slime. We're just going to make a last slime. Because I don't know what she did, but she kind of messed us up.
Because she's
Sorry.
she's the one who always adds too much shaving cream.
You're the
Wait, did it turn out?
So now I'm gonna do my third bath.
How am I gonna do it?
Well, I don't know what to do.
Mom, come here. Can you empty this bowl out?
Here,
You guys
I'm
Put it
gonna-
in your slime.
What?
This, a little bit of it.
Okay. I can use that.
Can I use the rest?
Yeah. Put a little bit of this, put a little bit of that, and a little bit of this. And you have to use this for your slime too.
Okay. I don't want to make a fluffy slime.
So you're letting me use all this for you. That's mine messed up.
No, not.
You said if you want to use a lot, then.
Okay, that's you're using the rest. I don't want a blue slime.
I don't want a blue slime either.
I'm a poop slime.
You see, now this is adding in.
See, it's making it like this.
I don't want this slime. So I get a little bit of that because
Isha.
okay, I get a little bit of that and this is gonna be a second slime.
Isha, stop. It's my slime.
But
But what's gonna... I'm gonna make a slime too.
That's your second slime, so we're doing the third one.
Yeah, and I didn't get to make a third one.
They're making one too. Shut thing.
Isha, that's enough. There's only very little in it. Yeah, I still have a lot, Asia.
Huh?
Asia, guys, don't mind my greedy sister over here. She likes to hug everything. We call her, her nickname should be like, during Christmas time, Greedy Elf. During St. Patrick's Day, Greedy Leprechaun. During Easter, Greedy Bunny. During Valentine's Day, Greedy Heart. During Mom, can you throw this away for me? Ew, you need an ugly orange. No, not the bowl.
what?
The clean
The
it out.
slime?
Yeah.
Well, you said throw it away. You should be cleaning it out.
Yeah.
You know we're on
I made
YouTube.
this. Zoe, stop! You're acting dumb.
Yeah, for sure. Guys, I'm dumb. Use my glue that I probably got 1 inch of, probably less.
I got this.
Cool. I mean, enough now. See if there's leftovers. Yeah. You should add water. Are you gonna add water? Huh? She made like a ugly, like golden brownish orange color, like yeah. She made that color. Okay, can I throw this away?
Mom, Grandma tells you that that if you're gonna help her, but she's not even helping you.
I know, but she always helps. She's always cooking anyways.
Yeah, you should. She's always cooking, so. Hey, bear.
Boo Boo?
Goo goo?
Oh, Mom's not with you? Oh. No. Okay.
Okay. So I got my glue in.
Okay, I'm cool.
So I don't know
Okay,
other slime I should make. I have a blue slime and a reddish pinkish slime.
Okay, let me
But
see.
so now I'm gonna put this in my thing now.
Yeah.
Do you want half of this slime? Because you made that. You made a piece of this slime. Don't put that nasty thing on me. Okay, you get a piece, I can get a piece.
Nothing, just
Making some slime.
in the kitchen.
In your kitchen. In the kitchen.
You want to go get cheese and stuff, but
We have cheese.
No.
We have cheese.
Yeah. Yeah.
This doesn't fit a lot.
She
Asia.
with you?
And
Okay. Okay, I'll call you back. Alright.
see, you made my slime with me. Well, you gave me a lot. Sure. Guys, I gave her a lot.
Okay.
So, in a little, we're going to be ending this video. This is like, when is that? This video's over! Psych. I pranked you guys. So, we're gonna leave, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.
We're not gonna leave. I have to finish my slime.
But then don't go.
I don't think blue at all.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna make the flipper slime. You rock, purple. Oh yeah, Captain. Go. Now that I got my slime is now ready to be activated. So now, I'm gonna activate my slime with slime activator.
Not funny, don't think it down.
from my slime kit.
Oh my god.
Sorry if I'm speaking like this, but I'm just trying to make my sister laugh. But she obviously doesn't think it's funny, because she's a ding dong. Whoa, you're a ding dong. Ding dong, look all. So, I need more activators. It's okay.
I think this purple slime is my favorite slime I made out of all of them.
So guys, thanks for watching.
And guys, I have to make my slime now thing. So first, she's always ahead of the whole video. So the 3 slimes I made was this slime, and this slime. My favorite slime is this one though. So first, I'm gonna add in this one. Next, so guys, we're going to be leaving.